Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inserting a chart object directly into the document. Open Insert, pick Chart, and choose the closest chart type to your goal. This uses an embedded Excel worksheet. Once inserted, replace the sample cells with your data by copy-paste or manual entry so axes and labels update. Make sure to use clear headers for Excel columns. They become axis and legend text. This step seeds the linked workbook that Word will use for all subsequent. Once done with raw data, double-click the chart to reveal the embedded Excel sheet and edit values or add series. You can add a secondary axis for mixed scales, change categories, or swap rows and columns to flip series. Then use chart tools, design for chart type and quick layouts, format for fonts, shapes, and precise sizing. Make sure to set axis bounds and label formats so the visual matches your message. Small scale errors distort interpretation. To finish, refine labels, legends, and color for readability. Resize using corner handles to keep aspect ratio. If you want a fixed image, copy the chart, paste special as picture. This prevents accidental edits. If you need updates later, right-click the chart and choose Edit Data to reopen the embedded sheet and refresh values. If elements misalign after resizing, reapply a chart layout or nudge text boxes. This resolves common label and legend overlap issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.